Hi, to insert SIM card in your iPhone 16e, firstly, take this tool, which is called ejector and goes in a complete with device. But if you lost it, don't worry, you can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can try to use a needle, but be careful because you may damage the slot. So to open our SIM tray, we need to locate it on the left side of the phone first and place this ejector pin in this little hole, like that. Slightly press till this slot will pop up. And now just take it out using your nails. So here you'll see the space for the SIM card. Take your SIM card and you'll need to place it with this chip side upwards like that so that rounded corners would match. Let's try this out. Just like this. And now you need to carefully put it back in the phone and hold your SIM card because it can fall out, as you can see. So let's hold it carefully and put back in a phone in the right position like this and close the tray completely. So now if everything was done correctly, then you will receive this notification to turn on iMessage and FaceTime. And also those signal bars will appear in upper right corner, meaning that SIM card was inserted correctly. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.